so that they can see the screen. So now they don't have their hands in the right position, by the way. This is wrong. This picture is wrong. They have it showing them, I think he has his right hand correctly, but it's not showing that it is correctly. So what it is one finger, if I'm testing the left side, can somebody stabilize right here because he's gonna need to lift that leg up in the air. So one finger is on PSIS. So there it is. And what I do is I go below PSIS and drop in and dig in. Okay? Turn this around, Valerie. So do you see how big your SI joint is? People think it's a dot. This is an SI joint, all of this. So what I do is I drop, and I go right here, and this is where I have my finger. All right? And so I probably have my finger right here. I'm sorry. This is where I have my finger. It's this dip here. It's the first dip.
Is there an easier way to find it though on some people?
It's the first dip. Okay, it's the first dip. This one is really easy to find. His is very easy. Put your finger right here. Go up and drop down. You see how you just followed that and dropped down? So I'm right here. Okay? And so what I'm going to do with my right hand is I'm going to go to the S2 segment. S1 is pretty deep. S2 is pretty shallow. Okay? So S1 is very, very deep. I can't get to it. There's a ton of ligaments here. S2 is right here. Now what I'm going to ask him to do is to march with his left side, to bring his left knee to his chest and come back. Okay, now I want you to do it a little bit slower, okay? And try not to shift your weight completely. Just kind of trust that, okay, and come back. He rotates so much. I don't know what's going on. Something funky is going on. All right, go ahead and do it again. Now that is different than what we saw before. Okay, so what you do expect to happen is as I keep my finger here and he lifts his leg, I expect the PSIs to drop. So I expect to see this happening, okay?
Tilting.
I expect to see this being stable and then the left thumb dropping down. If that doesn't happen and instead it goes up and elevates, that is an SI dysfunction. It's not moving normally. Normally when we bend our hip and knee, our ilium